Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert time and date in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. At first, open your Excel document. Firstly, then show the Excel sheet. This is the current insert for the current time and date for the keyboard press. In the then click in a row. Now keyboard press from the equal and write from the now and pass bracket and second pass bracket close. Now click for the control enter. That's okay. Then I show the insert time and date in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.